Welcome to Ideal House Quick Start.
Have an image that looks fine at a small size, but turns blurry or pixelated when you enlarge it? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn a low-resolution image into a sharper, cleaner HD result using Ideal House's Image Upscaler. Open Image Upscaler from the Enhance workspace. This tool improves image resolution, sharpens visible details, and creates a cleaner version while preserving the original subject and composition. Click Add a Photo. You can use a room photo, real estate listing image, design preview, product visual, or any image that needs more clarity. For the best results, start with the highest quality version you have. The image can be soft, small, or compressed, but important subjects and details should still be visible. Make sure Image Upscaler is selected under Enhance. The uploaded image will appear in the main canvas, ready to process. Next, choose how many results you want to generate. You can leave it on auto, or select 1, 2, or 3 images if you want more versions to compare. Check the credit amount shown on the button, then click Generate. Ideal House will upscale the image to produce cleaner edges, clearer textures, and more visible detail. Once processing is complete, the sharper result will appear in the canvas. At first glance, the image should look cleaner and more presentation-ready without changing the main composition. Use Zoom In to inspect important details more closely. Check edges, furniture, architectural lines, surface textures, faces, or text to make sure the result still looks natural. Then use Zoom Out to review the full image again. This helps you confirm that the overall image still feels balanced and believable. Your result is also saved in generation history. Open it whenever you want to review the image, compare versions, or access the export options. Use the before and after slider to compare the original with the upscale version. Drag it left and right to see the improvement in sharpness, edges, and fine details. When you're ready to export, open the Download menu. Choose full-size image for the enhanced result, before and after video to show the transformation, or side-by-side image for an easy visual comparison. Depending on your plan, you may also see options to download without a watermark or export in 2x HD for an even larger final image. If you want to keep working, choose Edit to adjust the image or remix to create another version. And that's it. With Image Upscaler, you can turn a small or soft image into a clearer HD asset for real estate listings, presentations, portfolios, websites, or social posts.